All right, we got a treadle feeder to hopefully prevent rodents for our chickens. Yeah, we got this from Rent-A-Coop. I think their website is like automaticfeeders.com or something weird like that. I'll put it in the description. 25-pound capacity. You can get a little extension to make it hold more, but we're going to unbox this, assemble it, and then see how it works. All right. Comes unassembled, not assembled, disassembled, whatever you want to say. Gosh. Okay. Lots of pieces here. Okay, back up, Eli, so they can see better. Okay, it does come with a user manual. I'm assuming this tells us how to assemble it. Yep. So we'll go ahead and get this put together real quick, and then we'll show you what it looks like when it's assembled. All right, you can stop that. All right, it is assembled. A couple notes about while assembling it. The instructions were like, yeah, use a drill and a pair of pliers for the lock nut and bolts. These longer bolts that hold on the treadle. Yep, that's good advice. Don't try and use the drill for these, at least not at the beginning, because they are self-tapping sort of. There's holes, but there's no threads in the holes. These like make their own threads. And so it's difficult to do that with a drill. Good luck. You can try if you want. Also, these are directional. The holes are different spacing depending on the orientation of this. So get it right before you put the screw on. We kind of were struggling to find out what this was all about. In the instructions, it says to adjust the flow plate. From this angle, it appears as though this is all one piece, but if you get low enough, you can see there's actually a seam right there, and that's a plate. The nuts that hold those screws on are inside the feeder. So there you go. Now, for us to test this out, our chickens need to be a little bit bigger because they're still pretty small little chicks. We got 12 of them, 6 barred Plymouth Rock, and 6 California White, I believe, if I'm remembering those names right. So that's what they'll be using until they're big enough to use the treadle feeder, and then we'll use the treadle feeder. Quick preview of the coop. So it's not 100% done yet. I'm building it myself, little by little. I mean, I don't know if little by little is the right way to say it, but over a couple weeks. And this is the coop. So the treadle feeder is gonna go here in this corner. We're gonna start out with it inside and see how that goes. And if we need to move it outside, it does come with that rain cover, which we've already installed. But this is the coop. So to see more on us moving our chickens into this coop and how that feeder works out for us, subscribe and like, and we'll be sure to post more videos. Thanks.